Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I made yogurt with 3 cow milk and Greek yogurt. So let's continue. So I added 3 cups of 3 cow milk and 6 cups of water with 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt as my culture. Come with me as we continue. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel as you watch it. So that was the Greek yogurt I used and 3 cow milk. So let's get into it as fast as possible. 3 cups of 3 cow milk, 3 cups of hot water, 3 cups of cold water, and 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt that has the bacteria in it, right? So the first thing is, after the 3 cups of hot water was very hot, then I added, can you see how steamy hot it is? And I added 3 cups of cold water, after which I sieved it to remove lump. Then I introduced my culture after the sieving. Make sure your water is the milk is still a little bit warm before introducing the culture, because the culture needs something that is warm. Do you understand? So that it can activate. So I used Greek yogurt as my culture, right? 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt as my culture. So I took out 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt inside, scooped it inside a cup, and took small milk and mixed it together. After mixing it together, I poured it inside. You would see it when you watch it. Please do not fast forward anything, because I did not fast forward this video. That's the culture I used. And then stirred it. Then I poured it inside the milk. You can see as I introduced it, that's 3 tablespoons. I used measuring spoon, so I used 3 tablespoons. Stirred it very well and poured it inside the milk and stirred very, very well. I didn't sieve again because I've sieved it before, and just poured it inside my plastic and covered it properly, and then wrapped it in with a cloth, wrapped it with a towel, wrapped it inside the bako sack, and put it inside my oven. If you watch it very well, you would see what I did. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I didn't add any preservative. And after 10 hours, immediately after 10 hours, my yogurt had formed. So I put this inside the oven. The oven was not hot though. The oven was normal oven, not hot. Just needed it to be to have for the bacteria to work, right? So I put inside the oven and around 7:30 and brought it out at 6 o'clock on the dot. That's like 10 hours 30 minutes, and my yogurt had formed. You watch it, you see where my yogurt formed. You watch it and you see where my yogurt formed. After it formed, you can choose to whisk it, or you can choose to still receive if you want your Greek yogurt to be very thick. So I sieved my own because I wanted my Greek yogurt to be very thick. So I sieved it and then separated the yogurt water from the milk, and then used my mixer to mix it, and that was it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and have a lovely week ahead. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can also start your Greek yogurt business just by doing this. Bye.